How to fix blurry Instagram stories with music. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry Instagram stories with music. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are trying to upload Instagram stories and you are facing problem on blurry stories on music, what you can do is go to your settings section on your Instagram application and change some settings to upload your post or stories to its highest quality and upload it as it is. What we can do is go to Instagram application on our mobile device. And right now I'm on the home page of Instagram application, and now you can see your profile icon, which is around at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and you will be taken to your profile section, and now you can see the three line icon or the three bar icon, which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it and tap on settings, and we are taken to settings section on our Instagram application, and you can see the option that says account. Just tap on it, and now you can see the last option that says cellular data use. Just tap on it and turn off your data saver and toggle on upload at highest quality, which will always upload the highest quality of your post or your story to your Instagram. So now get back again and scroll down to find original posts and toggle on save original posts, which will save your original post as it is from your gallery. So turn it on and you will be able to save original posts which includes music. So now after following these two steps, I hope that you will be able to fix blurry Instagram stories with music. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.